Bangladesh, a land of rivers and greenery, is known for its vibrant culture. But did you know it's also a global hub for garment manufacturing? The garment industry is crucial to Bangladesh's economy. It's a powerful engine, driving growth and providing jobs for millions. From t-shirts to trousers, Bangladesh clothes the world. Its factories hum with activity, producing clothes we see in shops every day. This small nation has become a giant in the global garment trade. The garment industry in Bangladesh wasn't always this big. It started small in the 1970s. With support from the government, local entrepreneurs set up factories. They saw an opportunity to make affordable clothes. The industry quickly gained momentum. Low labor costs attracted foreign investment. Orders from international brands poured in. With each stitch and seam, Bangladesh's garment sector grew. It became a global player in the fashion world. The garment industry's rise has transformed lives in Bangladesh. It provides jobs for over 4 million people, many of whom are women. These women are the backbone of the industry, working tirelessly to meet global demands. Garment factory jobs offer women a steady income. This empowers them and their families. They contribute to their households and communities. The industry has played a vital role in improving the lives of millions in Bangladesh. The garment sector's impact on Bangladesh's economy is undeniable. It's the country's largest export earner, bringing in billions of dollars annually. This income is vital for Bangladesh's development. From humble beginnings, the garment industry has become a GDP powerhouse. It has lifted millions out of poverty and boosted the nation's economy. Bangladesh's success story is woven into the fabric of its garment industry.